Igbo Area TV on the Igbo.
Hello viewers, what I'm hearing is quite interesting, but I'm wondering if it is possible to impeach a governor in a house PDP members decamped to APC. A very big political abomination. As far as I know, the moment House members of Imo Assembly decamped to APC, I concluded it was sealed. The Supreme Court governor can do whatever he likes afterwards and nothing will happen. Well, he's doing it already. I will only say sorry to Imo State. I don't know why all these bad lucks in the form of leadership are happening. Anyway, let's see the story. But before we go, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. You can also hit the bell icon so you get our updates each time it drops. You know, it's bomb. So we go there. Demolition of roundabouts in Imo State. House members may start Governor Hope Uzodinma's impeachment process. Imo State stakeholders have not stopped criticizing the continuous struggle for the survival of the State House that was built by the previous governors as part of improving the state. This statement arose as an outcome of a technical meeting held in one of the hotels in Owerri. According to reports we gathered, it was revealed that Uzodinma would have commenced work with more important projects rather than the continuous breakdown of state houses built by his predecessors. They are trying to say it's better he focused on building new things than destroying the ones built by his predecessors. However, the angry people blamed the Imo State lawmakers who were said to have allowed the governor to indulge in such a wastage of state resources on breaking of roundabouts rather than to channel the funds to construction of major busy roads in the state. If we can recall that a few months ago, the famous hospital in the state, Somto Hospital, which was built in the former Eke Onunwa Popular Market, was also demolished by Governor Uzodinma. And up till now, no serious work has been done to replace it. Now it's the roundabouts in the state that are taking their turn. It's quite obvious that the roundabouts at the ShopRite along Ebu Road, Emmanuel College bus stop, Nays Aba Road, and many others are demolished without recourse to the millions of allocation the state released in the previous government to build these structures. There is this other fault the Imo people express, and it is the delay of commencing the works of important projects that were terminated with demolitions all over the state. And the worst part of it is that the House of Assembly is not even saying anything about it. Yes, you know, the House of Assembly has turned to an APC house, a house bought by Hope Uzodinma. So what would they say? In a bid to ascertain the level of work done on the former flyover tunnels along Owerri Port Harcourt Road, we learned that both flyovers were demolished without any action of serious works done there till today. Why will he demolish structures in the states? Because he is not pleased with a former governor because they are at loggerheads. Does that warrant demolition structures that are built that serves the states? Look at the Somto Hospital, for example. You can seize it from the person. If the former governor used state fund to build the place, you seize it. The case of Somto Hospital, it touched me so much. You seize the property if it is state's money that was used to build it. You don't demolish it. Now you go about demolishing roundabouts. Why? Why? So according to records, it's been noted that the Imo State politics is plagued with bitterness. greed, extreme pain, petty quarreling, and ill sentiments to make choices. All these are deadly points that have led the state backward in development. Sincerely, it is affecting the state. As the case may be, the people that came for this Xmas stroke New Year season have criticized this unusual act, and they have called on the House of Assembly to do what they are supposed to do by calling the government to order to avoid the wasting of state resources on non-stop demolitions and face the real leadership that the people have called him for. And moreover, in comparing this ugly scenario with the developments seen in places in Enugu and Ebonyi State, Imo State will then continue asking if the allocation and internal generated revenue of Imo State is equal to its brothers underdeveloping states, Abia, judging by the insensitivity of government to the needs of the people. Well, according to the statement, the government is a continuous series and may just be a mere use of language, since it is difficult for succeeding governors to strengthen the good works of the governors that came before them, that's their predecessors. So you could imagine, while because of personal grudge, he's not in good terms with the former governor, he started demolishing structures the former governors built. That is foolishness. And some people are advising the House to commence impeachment process on Hope Uzodinma. Meanwhile, we understand that the House is a house bought up by him. You understand? When you realize a former house that I think is dominated by PDP or ABGA, now the House, they were crisscrossing to the next party. It shows he bought them up. So I think the House, Imo State House, is doing their bidding. These people should be advised. Imo State has suffered enough bad leadership. Former governor of Anambra State is dead. The shocking news about the demise of His Excellency Chinwaoke Mbadinju, a former governor of Anambra State, is not only sorrowful but terrifying. Like or hate him, Mbadinju was a leader in his time, and as a human, and had a beautiful and a as well as an ugly past. Yeah, it wasn't easy. It wasn't rosy at all. He was among the governors that ruled Anambra that, it wasn't easy for them. He realized a particular time he was slapped in the House of Assembly. These are what godfathers do. So Dr. Chinwaoke Mbadinju is among the former governors of the Fourth Republic that suffered bad fate in government. He was humiliated and used by godfathers. He suffered politically, no doubt, and was one of the founding fathers of APC. But unfortunately, Buhari, APC couldn't reward him. Well, may his soul rest in peace. May God comfort the government and the people he has left behind. Yes, the family of his family. May God help them to bear this loss. Another obituary from same state, Anambra State. An Igbo rapper, BIGLO, is dead. You know BIGLO now? So delicious, so sumptuous. Too short. Ginikine. So delicious. So, I can't really sing the song, but you know the song. BIGLO and Too Short then. A veteran Igbo rapper Lotanna Udezue was his name, popularly known as BIGLO, is dead. He died after battling with kidney ailments. The news of his death was confirmed by his friend and colleague Jasmine Olofin on his Instagram page. He disclosed that BIGLO, who was receiving dialysis from a hospital in California, US, died on Saturday, December 26th. That's the day after Christmas, on Boxing Day. Sometime in July 2019, his family called for help over his health condition. Yeah, BIGLO got into limelight in 2004 with his hit Delicious. That's a song which he featured Too Shorts. The deceased received a hip hop award for Best Rap Collabo of the Year. And the rapper did a song with Style Plus. Yes, I think they did a song with Style Plus. You know Style Plus now. So the rapper, however, went underground after the buzz died down. And the next time we're hearing about him, it's obituary. May his soul rest in peace. May God comfort his family. Please, viewers, would like to know what you think about the news today. Tell us what you think about Imo. I feel so sad with what is happening in Imo. I pity Imo people. I am wishing Imo people good leader. I wish a good leader will come and it's like the one that was showing sign was removed, and this Supreme Court governor took over. And look at what is happening to Imo State. Please tell us what you think, including what you think about the demise of former governor of Anambra State, Chinwaoke Mbadinju, and former Anambra rapper too from Anambra State, BIGLO Lotanna Udezue. Please share this video, subscribe to our channel. If you haven't, click on the bell icon to get our updates. I'm Azuka OJ. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.